What's up, guys? Welcome back. We got a new Titan X. Just learned about this. I haven't watched Monarch. I didn't even know it was out. So, but I saw a couple of people request Titan X. I was like, what is that? So it's like Tiamat, sort of mixed with, what's the other one? Bionante, or it's interesting. So let's draw the head at least first, anyway. And if there's enough demand for a full body, I'll do that as well. But let's give this a go. So weird eyes. Okay. So we do like a big sort of frown here. It's kind of like a bump. It's like a frown at the front. And then the eye itself, the eye shape comes around this way to there. And then this will kind of continue this way, but there'll be like spikes. And it'll keep going off that way. So it's like it's got two eyes. So it's got like a circle for an iris. And then a pupil in the middle. And then there's another. A pupil in the middle. So interesting. And then it has all these spikes that kind of come around the top. Some of them are like kind of like wavy, sort of like that a little bit, I think. So they're like fish tentacles every now and then. And then like more along the bottom then. And this seems to like keep going and like join the back of the head. So like in general, it goes like real wavy sort of back that way. And there's all spikes and spines kind of a little bit all up here. You know, like, so like little sort of wavy. Following like all the way. It probably goes real far, but we'll just stick to this part first, and then I'll fill in all this area. So the front of the head, say down from he's got these two things like on top of the nose. So like starting sort of here. I don't know if they're bones or fins or what, but then another one on this side. So then the front of the snout comes down here, and there's loads of teeth that kind of stick off the mouth itself. So, and I take it there's a nostril, but I'm not sure. But like you get like these teeth sticking off here, like real thin. It's kind of like an angler fish with little sort of spikes and stuff. So I'll bring the mouth shape across, and every now and then as you go, just like add a spike, and then there's loads of teeth inside. But every now and then just do like a little one that's coming out of his face. This goes down, and then that's the back of the mouth sort of there. But then there's all these spikes like at the back of the mouth that come around the side of the head. these textures and stuff on the face as well, and every now and then little sort of spikes and stuff. But that's like the shape for this part of the head. So all up here, there's loads of horns, like lots of them. So like, there's like 2 here. They might not be horns, might like be fins or something, because it's like a fish-like thing. Then, so the head goes like bumping this way. Right, and then we meet a horn here. Then another couple of cluster of small ones, but then like a pretty big one then. Here, and they're all these little like round things on top. And then another here. One sticking out that way. And then a big one here. And there's all like little textures and spikes and stuff all in here too. And this kind of keeps going like this. So there's another one behind. Another one in behind those 2 on the other side of the head. One there. Just adding sort of textures as I go. So how far does this go? It goes all the way off. Right, so like this keeps going. And these things get kind of big. So like all these little spikes then. Okay, there is more there, but I think I should probably do some teeth and stuff up the other end before I do all that. It's just like big spikes here or something. But we'll try and do the teeth now at the bottom of the face. His teeth are gnarly, right? They're like hairy, sort of. Real long. Coming out lots of different directions. Like there's like a real long one there. And then the bottom, so the bottom teeth like long here, like sticking out. Like sticking out of his chin. Loads of these now. Of course, like if you want to add like crazier teeth, you can. I'm just doing the sort of basics. You can kind of see some teeth on the other side of the mouth there as well, I think. Right, and then on the chin, we get this big bone sticking out. And then lots of textures and stuff on this. And then I suppose we'll keep going actually back this way. There's like little spikes and stuff and teeth as we go back. I think that's all we can see for like the side of his mouth and stuff. Okay, there's more spikes down here. All little ones that come down, so there's like loads of these. Textures and all this stuff on his skin. Okay, so then more of these things. Like his neck like goes off that way. There's all like wrinkles and more spikes here. So that's like side of the head, and we'll just add some textures on all this. So running, imagine you're throwing a fishing net on top of them. And then I think we just get like lots of these things then going like off the page basically. Like back this way. like so lots of wrinkle lines and stuff back here. It's very dark back here, so I can't make out what's going on, but I imagine it's just like wrinkles all the way back. Right. Titan X, cool Titan. Of course, you could do pink. I think they're normally pink, all these things. Yeah, these are like bones, kind of. All right, but I think I'll leave it there. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.